Hey, I'm Greg Hansel. I'm the owner of this house. We decided to sell it, and part of the sale process, we had to get the roof replaced, so I reached out to Chris. He's been instrumental in helping us with the insurance process, getting the solar panels removed, coordinating the gutter removal, fence removal. His team has come out and done a fantastic job. They actually over-engineered a lot of the work that we've done. He's been great. He's going to make sure that the warranty gets transferred to the new homeowner. And I can't say anything better than go with Chris Verde.